Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I will be showing you how I wand curl my hair to get this lovely wave. Keep watching. So I usually start by just parting my hair into 4 sections. You'll need 4 clips for this. I always start in the back section because it's easier that way. You want to kind of roll this up into a knot, get this out of your way. I use clips like this, the flatter ones, because you can always twist the hair up and just pin it out of your way as need be. But if you don't have any of these clips, you can use your regular clips that you have. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference. Now I usually take smaller sections than this, but for this look I don't want a super tight curl. The smaller the size of hair that you grab, the tighter the curl, which gives you more volume. I'm going for a medium size, and I'm just wrapping that right around my wand. And when you're doing it yourself, it kind of feels funny, like you see how my arm is. If this is uncomfortable for you, just hold it in the way that's comfortable, but watch out for your fingers because you do not want to burn yourself. I'm wrapping these the same way because I want it to all flow together, because I'm looking for that big volume sexy hair. If I wanted more of an edgy look, I would twist the opposite way, but then we can get into another video for that, so stay tuned. I decided to keep my ends straight, so you'll see me leaving about a centimeter of straight ends just to give it a softer touch. As you're doing it, you want to make sure you're not breaking apart any of those curls. You're keeping those curls intact. You don't want to pull them out because you want to let them set. When curls are hot, they're still forming their curl. So sometimes you can find it getting looser once you start pulling your fingers through it. You want to kind of avoid that because the curl hasn't set yet. So place all your curls in place. It may look super tight right now, but when you brush it out at the end, it will look beautiful. You're gonna let out that front section, then layer. Now this is a frontal. If you're doing just a natural leave out sew in, then you want to, get your edges smooth as possible first. So if you need a flat iron to kind of really get your edges, you will want to do that before you start to wand to curl your hair. And the front is okay. If the front is a little smaller, that's fine. I kind of like when my front is just a little bit smaller curled than the back, because we're just gonna brush it out anyways. So it just makes it look a little bit more pulled together to me. Now that this side is done, you want to kind of move it out the way and focus on this side. Like I said, we're going to roll this side up, get that out the way, and focus on the back. So you already watched the technique on this side, so I'm going to hurry up and do this side, and I will be back to show you the final look. Stay tuned. Okay guys, now that I finished wand curling my hair, I'm going to let this side cool and catch up with this side. So once this side cools down a little bit, I will be using my wide tooth comb to rake these out and give it more volume. And I'm loving how it looks already. Some girls like to keep it this way. Today I want to, you know, switch it up just a little bit, so I will be raking my curls out with this bad boy, and watch and you'll see how I do it. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, don't be scared to hit the subscribe button, because you just watched the K-Way and there's no other way to do it, baby. Subscribe.